Hello friends. In today's class, we'll talk about final phase of the compiler called code generation. The final phase of this compiler is the generation of the code, target code. Okay. And as we have already discussed, that it is consist of a relocatable machine code. Okay. So it is consist of relocatable machine code. So I picked up this previous problem that I just explained you to demonstrate this. And here we have just generated an IR intermediate representation, and that was even we have performed some optimization to this, and it was look like this, that we have a temp1 is going to store B multiplied by C. Then I will say A is equal to temp1 plus G, 3 address code. And then we have a D is equal to temp1 multiplied by E. Now I'm assuming a hypothetical machine. Okay, it's not hypothetical machine. And here I have to perform this B multiplied by C. So I will say here that I'll translate this into like something that multiply. Okay, multiply, what you have to multiply in this case is if it is a 3 address instructions are allowed into this, then I will say temp1 and B and C, and that interpretation I can write here as same thing, temp1 is loaded with the value B multiplied by C. Then I will say add. What I'll add here in this case is add A, temp1 and G. Okay, and then I can say again add. Okay, I'll say multiply what D with temp1 and E. Now here these are the temporary values that you're holding over here. If we are having a machine that support GPRS, general purpose register, then in that case it will look like this: multiply R1, B and C, and then I'll say add A, R1, G, these are the commas, and then I'll say multiply D and R1, and E. Okay, so if you are using GPRS, then it will look like this. So that is the final part, and one of the responsibility that immediately comes in your mind is your register allocation. There are more to this, but register allocation is one of the responsibility. Okay, so that finish your this introduction part, and we have discussed many things from the phases of compiler to language processor and the task that each phase is performed. Okay, so this is the introduction part, and now we will move to this the next topic, and we'll discuss each phases in detail, and we'll pick up the first phase, that is lexical analysis. Okay, so that's all for this lecture introduction part. Thank you.